Will Friday be business as usual or will it not? Sasbo has been issuing warnings urging consumers to withdraw cash by Thursday. This to avoid the inconvenience of closed branches and ATMs running dry. The union is fighting retrenchments in the banking sector, saying executives take home exorbitant salaries at the expense of the workers.
Instead of government business to reduce the salaries of the CEOs, they felt to reduce the workers so that they continue to make profit and continue to earn a big salary. It's a serious issue.
Business is worried about the impact of the strike on the already fragile economy. The South African Revenue Services has also warned about the impact it will have on tax payments and refunds.
We've always said that any form of disruption to the economy is bad for us. We are not an economy that can sustain many blows like this. So we as Busa have always said we are open to talking to Cosatu, to any trade union for that matter, about issues that they may have. We all have to work together through NEDLEC in the interest of rebuilding this economy.
Busa says the central question facing the court is whether Cosatu and Sasbo can rely on a Section 77 notice of the Labour Relations Act, which was filed with NEDLEC in August 2017. Section 77 of the Labour Relations Act gives workers the right to take part in protest action and be protected against dismissal or any other disciplinary action.
If the judge were to consider really whether Section 77 has been followed in this particular case by both Cosatu and Sasbo, that she will come to the firm conclusion that actually they have not followed it.
The arguments that were advanced by business, they are a hearsay, and there's so many factual things that they are denying that we know exactly as Cosatu and Sasbo that they did have happened at NEDLEC, and the fact that they chose not to be part of NEDLEC when certain decisions were taken. So it appeared in this court today that they are in denial that such meetings to happen, and they are also in denial because they wanted to put everything solely on the blaming of the government that has ignored the process.
If the strike goes ahead, it will be the biggest in the sector in more than 90 years. Nedbank, FNB and ABSA have encouraged customers to use online services on Friday. But in the meantime, the ball remains in the judge's court.
It is correct that I need to hand down an order urgently and that I will not be able to give my full reasons. However, I will be ready to hand down that order at 10 a.m. tomorrow.
Liabo Setho, SABC News, Johannesburg.